59.
SVA.
Akron cloudy and 64. Greeley fair and 68. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 324 in effect until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 2 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln. This includes the cities of Elizabeth, Kiowa, and Lemon. Primary threats include scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts to 75 miles an hour, likely scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events to 3 inches in diameter, likely a tornado or 2 possible. Remember, severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. The noon weather observations.